Hello once again and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use some basic AutoCAD commands to create 3D solid objects. And you can see here that I have a kettle, and here are some of the commands I use to create this kettle design. So when I'm done with this tutorial, you would have learned how to use the shell command, loft command, revolve, offset, and the fillet edge commands, among other ones I'm going to use to create this very 3D kettle. So I'm going to open it up for you to see the interior. Alright, so here is the inside of the kettle. You can see how it looks like. So I use the shell command to create this hollow here, and also the loft command to create this. The press command for this and some other portions of the kettle body. So without wasting much time, I'm going to move on to a new page and start this drawing afresh so that you can follow and see exactly how I created this kettle using those commands I have mentioned. So let's get started. Alright, so here is a new page, and I'd like to switch my workspace to 3D modeling. So what I'll do is to come right up here, click on this arrow and choose 3D modeling, or come down to the status bar, click on the star icon and choose 3D modeling. So to start the drawing, I'm also going to switch the view to isometric view. So click right here and choose Southwest Isometric. Okay. So I'm going to start with the base of the kettle. So I'll draw a circle, come to the draw panel, click here and click on center diameter, then draw a circle of diameter 100. Okay. So I'll still draw another circle, this time of diameter 120. Okay. Then move this circle up to a distance of 60 units. So click on the move command, click on this circle, then push it up. Okay. Now check the auto mode to keep that steady. Alright, so now push it up to a distance of 60. Okay. Now copy this circle and also move it up to a distance of 25. So click on the copy command, click on this circle, push it up by 30. Right. So I'm still going to draw yet another circle. And that will be the diameter of the lid, that's the cover of the kettle. I'm going to make it 85. So come over to the draw panel again, click on the circle command, click on center diameter, locate the center of this circle, which is here, and draw another circle of diameter 85. Okay. So again, I'm going to move this circle up to a distance of 10 units. So click on the move command. Now click on this circle, enter, and push it up by 10 units. Okay. So with the loft command, I'm now going to loft these 4 circles. So come over to the modeling panel, click on this arrow, and click on loft. Then click on these circles after the other. Enter. Then click on settings. Then come up here and click on ruled and click OK. Okay, so I have now lofted this. Let's see how it looks like on shade of gray. Okay, so this is what I have there. So switch back again to 3D wireframe. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line from the quadrant point of this to touch the quadrant point of this. So come over to the draw panel and click on line command. Now locate the quadrant point of this set, of this portion. Okay. Right, that's quadrant point. Click on this. So locate the quadrant point on this edge. That's quadrant point. Click on it. Okay. Now come up here again and do the same thing. Click on the line command. Locate the quadrant point. That is quadrant. Click. Locate the quadrant point here. Quadrant. Click. Okay. So I'm going to mirror this line now to this other side as well. So come to the modify panel, click on modify and click on mirror. Then click on this line, locate the center of this object. Any of the centers will be okay. And mirror to this other side. Okay, so I now have this and this. Alright. Right, so here I'm going to create an opening for the spout. So I'm going to use the ellipse command to do that. And before then, I will have to switch the UCS to left. So come to the coordinate panel, click right here and choose left. Click on left. Okay, so that has changed. Okay, so now click on the arrow beside this ellipse and click on center. Then click on the center of this line. Still touch this portion. Okay. And adjust. This one should be alright. Okay. Alright, so now draw a line from the center of this. Project it outwards. And check the auto mode. And project it outward. Also, draw a line from this quadrant point. Also draw a horizontal line. Okay. Should be alright. Okay. So I'll now switch this view to front. Okay. So I'm now going to rotate this and this to intersect with this line. So click on this line and this. Enter. Then rotate at this point. And uncheck the auto mode. Okay. Click on the copy command, copy this circle. And pick it from this point. And bring it here. Exit. Okay, so I'm now going to scale this down. Scale this down to 0.3. So come over to the modify panel and click on the scale command. Click on this. With here at the center, enter 0.3. Okay. So again, I will now have to loft this circle to this other one. So come to the modeling panel, click here and choose loft. Then loft this and this. Enter. Click on settings. Come over here, also click on ruled and enter. Okay. So again, I'm going to move this one in. Turn to shade of gray. Okay. Let's move this in. Okay. Okay, so I have to trim up some portion of this to create a spout. So come over here, click on the draw panel, click on the line command, draw a line from this point, Draw a horizontal line. Okay. Now click on the rectangle command and draw a rectangle to align with this line. Okay. Now switch the view to southwest isometric. Okay, and delete this line now. Okay, so now use the press pull command to press pull this out. Click on press pull. Press this. Exit. Now click on the solid subtract command. Click on this. Then subtract this. Okay, you can now remove this rectangle. Alright. Okay, so I'll now use the union command to join these two. So come over to the solid edging panel and click on union. Then click on this and this. Alright. Okay, so I now have one 3D solid. Okay, so I'll now use the shell command to shell this. So come over to the solid edging panel and click on this arrow, then choose shell. Click on the shell command. So click on the object I want to shell, which is this. Okay, so I have to open up two portions on this very 3D solid. That is this top and the spout. So you can see the banner says remove faces. So this is the first face I want to remove with the spout. Click on this. Then click on the second face, which is this. And enter. Then enter the shell offset distance. I'm going to make it 1.5. That's the thickness of the petal. Enter 1.5 and enter. Then enter and exit. Okay, so it has now been shelled. And you can see here that this is open. Okay, so I'll know how to create the cover. That is the lid. So after the shelling, the opening at the top here, the diameter has now reduced to 7 to 8. So I'm going to switch to front view here. And draw a line of 7 to 8. 7 to 8. Okay. And draw another line of 2 mm from each end. Draw a line from here upward of 2 mm. Draw another one at the middle and put it up to a distance of 5. Draw yet another one of 2 units from this point. Okay, so here I'm going to create an arc here using 3-point arc. So come to the drop panel, come up right here and click on the arc icon and choose 3-point arc. Then click here as the third point, click here at the second point, and here as the third point. Exit this command. Okay. So I'm going to offset this line by 1.5. So that's the thickness of the lid. So come over here, click on the offset command and enter 1.5. Click on this and offset outwards. Okay. So I'm going to close up one end of these arcs. So come over here and click on Start End Direction Arc and close up this end. Click here as a start. Click here as the end and generate a curve. Okay. Now again, I'm going to offset this line by 1.5 also to the right. So click on the offset command, enter 1.5, and offset this to the right. Okay. Now extend this line to touch this arc. So come over to the modifier panel, click on this arrow, and choose extend, and click on this line. Okay. Then click on the trim command, click on this arrow again and click on trim, and trim out this portion. Also trim out this portion. Okay. Now project this line to touch this arc, and also click on the extend line, extend this. Okay. So I'm going to create the handle for the lid. So click on the rectangle command and draw a rectangle of 12 by 5. Okay, so click on the move command and move it from this point and drop it right here. Okay. You can also extend this line to touch. Click on this and click on extend. And extend this line. Click on extend. Okay. So I'm now going to fillet a portion of this. Click on the fillet command. Right click, choose radius of 4, and fillet this. Okay, now click on the trim command and trim out these portions. Also trim out here. Okay. Now click on the modify panel and click join. Then join this up. Draw a line again to close up this. And line command. Click on the line command and also close up here. Okay. So now use join command to join. Click on the modify panel, click on join. And join this. And also join this. Okay. Clean out this. Okay, so now I'm not going to revolve this. So come over to the modeling panel, click here and choose revolve. Now highlight the whole of this, enter. Now choose the axis, click at this point and draw vertically downwards to join the axis. Okay, now enter 360 degrees. That is one full turn. Enter 360 degrees. Okay, so that's the lid now done. So that's the cover. Okay, so here is the lid. Now I have to create the handle. So come over here again, click on the line command. Click here. Click at the quadrant point of this edge and project vertically upwards to a height of 70. Exit. Then draw another line again from this quadrant point and draw it up to a height of 50. Okay, then connect it onto this and exit this command. Okay. So I will now fillet these two corners here and here. So click on the fillet command. Now right click and choose a radius of 20. And radius here and here. Now repeat fillet and also apply on this. Okay. So as this command. So I'll now use the join command to join them up. So come to the modify panel, click here and click on join. Click on join and highlight these lines. Okay. So I now have one polyline there. So I'm going to copy this out. So click on this and copy it out. Copy. Alright, so I'll now offset this again by 5 mm, 5 units. So click on the offset command, enter 5 as offset, and offset this outward by 5. Enter. Now close up these two ends with the line command. Click on the line command and close up this and this. Enter. Also repeat line and close up this and this. Okay. Again, use the join command to join them up. Click on join command and join them up. Okay. So again with the press pull command, I'm going to pull this out to a distance of 10 units. So come over to the modeling panel and click on the press pull command and press pull this out distance of 10. And exit this command. Okay, so I'll now move this and place it over here. So click on the move command. Click on this, enter, then pick it from this midpoint and bring it right here. Okay, so that's the handle. So I'll know how to also apply the fillet edge at these sharp corners. So what I'll do here is to type F and choose fillet edge and choose a radius of 1.5. Enter. Right click and choose chain. Okay, now apply fillet on these portions. Apply fillet here. Okay, turn it around and also apply fillet edges. So type F, choose fillet edge, right click, choose chain, and apply on this side as well. Okay, so come to the modify panel and click on the move command. Move this, pick it from the bottom center. And bring it at the center. Okay, so let's now switch to realistic view. Okay, so now I have to apply colors on this. So double click the handle and this, and apply color. Look on this. Okay, so that's the color. So here's the kettle now completed. That's the bottom. Let's replace the lid. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.